Our next problem is area bounded by the parabola y is equal to 4x square and y axis and the lines y is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 4. So let us draw a simple graph. So y is equal to 4x square is, it is like this. This is y is equal to 0 x axis, y is equal to line 1 will be here and y is equal to 4 will be like here. So we need to find the area bounded by the parabola and the y-axis. So this is y-axis. Its equation is x is equal to 0 and this is y is equal to 4x square curve. So we need this area. Okay, directly area is equal to limits 1 to 4. So what is, so this is x dy we need to take with y-axis, right? That is 1 to 4. X is equal to root of y by 4, root of y by 4 dy, that is 1 by 2 integral 1 to 4 root y dy. Integration of root y is y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 limits 1 to 4. What is the formula? Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. So this is 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, that is 1 by 3 into, that is y power 3 by 2 is y root y, that is 4 root 4 minus 1 root 1. So this is 4 to the 8, 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7 by 3 square units is the required area. Next problem is area bounded by y is equal to x sin x and a x axis between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. So from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi, sin x is positive. From x is equal to pi to x is equal to 2 pi, sin x is negative. So here required area is integral 0 to 2 pi y dx. So we need to break the integral 2 pi x sin x dx. We need to split it, 0 to pi x sin x dx minus pi to 2 pi x sin x dx. Pi to 2 pi sin x is negative, that's why we need to take the negative of that. Next let us find the integration of x sin x, then I directly apply the limits. Integral x sin x dx is equal to x into integral sin x dx minus differentiation of x is 1, integral sin x dx. X into integral sin x is minus cos x, this is minus cos x dx. This is minus x cos x, minus into minus plus, integral cos x dx, that is minus x cos x plus integral cos x is sin x plus. Now our area is integral 0 to pi x sin x dx minus pi to 2 pi x sin x dx. Now our integral x sin x is minus x cos x plus sin x between the limits 0 to pi minus x cos x plus sin x between the limits pi to 2 pi. First put pi, this is minus pi, cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0, minus 0, minus 2 pi cos 2 pi is 1 sin 2 pi is 0 minus pi cos pi is minus 1 plus sin pi is 0. This is pi minus 2 pi minus into minus plus into minus pi pi plus 3 pi, that is equal to 4 pi square units. Our next problem is area bounded by the curve. Y is equal to x cube, x axis and the ordinates x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 is here. Required area is integral 1 to 4 y dx, integral 1 to 4 y is given as x cube dx, that is x power 4 by 4, 1 to 4, that is 4 power 4 by 4 minus 1 power 4 by 4, that is 63 by 4 square units. 4 4 is 16, 16 is 256, no, it's not 63, it is 255 by 4 square units. Next problem is the ratios of area bounded by curves y is equal to cos x comma y is equal to cos 2x between x is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 3 and x axis. Here a1 is equal to 0 to pi by 3 cos x dx, integral cos x is sin x, limits pi by 0 to pi by 3, sin pi by 3 is sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus sin 0 0. a2 is equal to 0 to pi by 3 cos 2x dx. So here between 0 to pi by 4 cos x is positive, pi by 4 to pi by 3 is negative. So here integration is sin 2x by 2, limits 0 to pi by 4, here also sin 2x by 2, limits are pi by 4 to pi by 3. This is sin 90, sin 90 is 1 by 2, this is 0 minus sin 2 pi by 3 by 2, that is sin 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, by 2 is root 3 by 4 minus pi by 4 pi by 2, that is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 minus root 3 by 2. a1 is to a2 is root 3 by 2 is to 1 minus root 3 by 4, that is multiply by 4, 2 root 3 is to 4 minus root 3 is the required ratio. Our next problem is find the area bounded by y square is equal to 4ax and two ordinates x is equal to 4, x is equal to 9 is. So y square is equal to 4x. Parabola will be like this. We need area between x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 9. So this parabola is symmetric about x axis. So required area is 0 to 2 into limits between 4 to 9 y dx. So double this area, this area, this area, this area same. So I am doubling this area. So that is integral 4 to 9 y is 2 root ax dx. That is 4 into 4 root a integral 4 to 9 root x dx. That is 4 root a integral root x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits 4 to 9. This is 8 root a by 3. This is x root x. 9 root 9 minus 4 root 4. 9 root 9 is 9 3 is 27. 4 root 4 is 4 to the 8. 27 minus 8, 19. This is 8 root a into 19 by 3 is the required area. Our next problem is if the ordinate x is equal to a divides the area bounded by the curve y is equal to 1 plus 8 by x square and the x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to 2 comma x is equal to 4 into two parts. Then find the value of a. So first let us find the area. Y is equal to 1 plus 8 by x square. A1 is equal to limits 2 to 4 y dx. That is 2 to 4 y is 1 plus 8 by x square dx. That is integral 1 is x. Integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. That is minus 8 by x between the limits 2 to 4. That is 4 minus 8 by 4 minus 2 minus 8 by 2. This is 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. That is 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. A1 is equal to 4 square units. Now this is total area. So our ordinate x is equal to a, divide this area into two parts, two equal parts. So that means a2 is equal to integral 2 to a y dx is equal to a1 by 2. So it will be half of the total area. That is 2 to a y is 1 plus 8 by x square dx is equal to 2. This is x minus 8 by x between the limits 2 to a, that is equal to 2. This is a minus 8 by a minus 2 minus 8 by 2 is equal to 2. A minus 8 by a minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 2. This is a minus 8a plus 2 is equal to 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. a minus 8 by a is equal to 0, implies a square minus 8 is equal to 0, a square is equal to 8. A square is equal to 8 implies a is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. But the limit ordinate x is equal to a is after 2, so it must be positive. Since a greater than 0, we only take a is equal to 2 root 2 is the required value. Find the area bounded by curve y is equal to log x and the x axis and the ordinates x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 2 is. So your required area is limits integral 1 to 2 y dx, that is 1 to 2 y is log x dx. Now integration log x is x log x minus x, limits are 1 to 2. Area is 2 log 2 minus 2 minus 1 log 1 minus 1, that is log 4 minus 2. This is 0, this is plus 1, this is log 4 minus 1. So minus 1 can be written as log e. So the area is equal to log 4 by e square units. So next problem is find the area bounded by the line y is equal to x and x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2 and the x axis. So here y is equal to x line will be like this. We need area between x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 is here and x is equal to 2 is here. We need this area. So here required area is equal to, so x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 0, it is below x axis, so we take negative minus 1 to 0 minus y dx and 0 to 2 plus y dx, that is minus 1 to 0 y is equal to x, that is minus x dx, 0 to 2 x dx, that is minus x square by 2, limits by minus 1 to 0, this is x square by 2, 0 to 2, this is 0 minus 1 by 2 plus this is 4 by 2 minus 0, this is 1 by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 5 by 2 square units is the required area. The next problem is find the area bounded by curve y square is equal to x and the straight line to y is equal to x is. Here given y square is equal to x, 2y is equal to x. First solve these two, solving 1 and 2. Y square is equal to 2y, y is into y minus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 comma y is equal to 2. So figure is like this: y square is equal to x is parabola, that is like this. This is y square is equal to x, and the line is 2y is equal to x. It passes through origin, and the points are touches the curve in positive points, so it will be like this. It will be like this only, positive. So we need this area. This is 2y is equal to x. So y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 means x is equal to 4. So our required area is equal to integral 0 to 4. So here curve is upper, so curve minus y1 minus y2 dx, that is 0 to 4. Curve is root x, line is x by 2 dx. Integral root x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus this is x square by 2 into 2, that is x square by 4, between the limits 0 to 4. So this is 2 by 3 into 4 root 4 minus 4 square by 4 minus 0. 4 root 4 is 8, 8 to the 16 by 3 minus 4. 3 4s are 12, 16 minus 12 is 4 by 3 square units is the required area. So our next problem is find the area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, and the line x is equal to root 3y, and the x-axis lying in the first quadrant. Here equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4. Here center is 0 comma 0. So circle will be like this, and the line given as x is equal to root 3y, that is y is equal to x by root 3. So here if we take compare, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, theta is equal to 30 degrees, that is pi by 6. So it will be like this. It passes through origin. This is the line y is equal to x by root 3. So we need this area. So it is a sector area is equal to half into LR, or half r square theta. So here r square is equal to 4, center is 0 0, r is equal to 2, half into r square is equal to 4. Theta is the angle made by the sector, that is pi by 6. So that is 2 to the cancel, that is pi by 3 square units is the area, required area.